Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. The curved screen is Samsung's new headline design trait, and it's using it more and more frequently. The S7 Edge is the best version of it yet. I haven't spent enough time with the Galaxy Note 7 just yet, and it makes for an iconic phone. It's more eye-catching than the regular Samsung Galaxy S7 too. It doesn't just impress in the looks department though. This is an all-round stunner. It has the best optics, crispest screen, and even Samsung's software has taken a step back. The sloping display might make it harder to hold for some, but it's never become an issue for me. Design hasn't always been Samsung's strong suit. Just 2 years ago, Samsung released the Galaxy S5. The handset was the most powerful phone available at the time, but it wasn't a looker. Last year's Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge signaled a much-needed change for Samsung, and the change is only more obvious with the S7 Edge. On the surface, the S7 Edge looks just like its predecessor. A metal rim is sandwiched between two slabs of Gorilla Glass 4, with a lock switch on one side and separated volume keys on the other. The back is almost completely clean, with a now flush camera sensor, heart rate monitor, and a Samsung logo. Along the top is the repositioned SIM tray, which now pops in a micro SD slot too, plus a microphone. The bottom houses the headphone jack. This should always be on the bottom. Can other manufacturers please take note? Another microphone, a tiny and frankly disappointing speaker, plus a micro USB port for charging.